In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get ESPN on Firestick so you can enjoy live sports and highlights on your TV. Let's get started. To access ESPN, start by turning on your Firestick and navigating to the Amazon App Store from the home screen. Search for the ESPN app and download it. Once installed, open the app and select Sign In or Activate. You'll see an activation code displayed on your screen. Next, visit espn.com/activate on your computer or mobile device. Log into your ESPN account or create one if needed, and enter the code to link your Firestick. If you don't have ESPN Plus, subscribe to it or link a supported TV provider that includes ESPN. Once activated, return to the ESPN app on your Firestick. You can now stream live sports, watch highlights, and access exclusive ESPN Plus content directly on your TV. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content on a mobile device while connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure your Firestick is connected to a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on Firestick.